If you hate ironing as much as I do, you're gonna love this product. My name is Kate with WTI, and this standing garment steamer is from EVAIROAX. Now it's so easy to use. It comes with a massive water tank, so you can fill that up and have 90 minutes of continuous steaming. So you're not constantly refilling. It has 3 different settings, so easy to use. It starts steaming automatically. It's so well designed, so it has an adjustable pole. You can use this as a hanger. It has clips so you can attach your pants or your skirts. And this thing is seriously mind-blowing how well it works. It takes out wrinkles like I've never seen before. Unlike an iron, this is actually fun to use. It comes on wheels, it's easy to cart around. I just love how effortless it makes removing wrinkles. It has a nice long cord. The steamer extends far so you don't feel like you're tied to the machine. A fantastic addition to your laundry routine all the way around. I cannot recommend this enough. It has been a total game changer for us, and that's my point of view.